Alright everybody, so I honestly didn't imagine myself actually showing you guys me doing this because a lot of things can go wrong, but I think that if you guys can see my mistakes, if I do make one when applying this material, you guys can see what not to do. And I mean, I do want to put a claimer out there that I'm not a professional. This is honestly a wild experience and a wild experiment that I'm going to be trying to see if I can complete this chrome wrap. So let me show you guys the chrome wrap. And here is the beautiful gold you guys can see here. Now I have a feeling that I'm probably grabbing it the wrong way. I feel like it's too much. Okay, there you go. So here we go. That looks just about right. And we're doing chrome, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen. I've had to redone so many panels already that I've completed from the car. It is what it is. You have to have a lot of patience with chrome. For me, I'm very, very excited. I'm learning a lot with this material. You should be careful though. If you're a first timer, you shouldn't really be doing this. So as me, this is my first time doing this, guys, and we're gonna see if I can do it on video. Hopefully, you know, I don't have to rip off the panel and do it again. So the first thing before wrapping a door, especially on a Camry, is that you need to know exactly where are your curves, especially for chrome. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but the first curve right here, the main one, this is where I'm going to be grabbing onto on my material, is right here. This is like a little curve right here. This is a body, a very, very hard body line. And this door, it actually goes up like this. So when you do cut the door, if you're ever wrapping your Camry, don't ever cut straight like that, because then you're gonna be short right here. So as you guys can see, this is actually cut in an angle, and I'm above like 5 inches to where I'm gonna tuck, which is I'm gonna be tucking right here. So I'm doing that to make sure that my cut will not be less than what I want. If you guys see me wrapping, maybe not chrome, but maybe you guys probably gonna want to do another type of material, matte, gloss. It just takes guts to honestly do this. So here's the back side, and this actually does have a plastic cover on the actual chrome, so which is really awesome. I don't know if the camera can pull it out, but there is like some scratches, some rubs, but all of that will go away once I remove this clear film. So this is how I'm going to start. This is going to be my starting point right here. Now one thing that I've noticed about this chrome is that normally with other wrap, you know, you can start here and take off the film as you go, but with this particular material, all of it has to come off. So let me go on this side real quick. Gonna remove this film. Okay, guys. So pretty happy that actually turned out to look good. So this probably looks very scary now if you're a new timer, but I'm gonna go ahead and release this and see. We're gonna try to fix this right here by lifting up top right here, and obviously right here, and there you go. We're gonna follow this body line that's right here, because this is gonna be our guide to know where exactly we're working on, especially on the door. But so far, I did a great job on laying the film very good job for a rookie that's working with chrome. This is where the water comes in handy. That's just a little bit, you don't want to get carried away. You know, this door, you guys, there's a curved line right here, right? There's a body line right here. Then there's one right underneath that goes right here along the bottom. Then there's one right here in the middle. And then on top of that, this door caves in inside. And then when it caves in, this area, it's only this area is pretty, you know, not that much. But right here is where, you know, it is crazy. And then right here in the bottom, what you guys saw, I didn't really struggle right here, but right here, that's why if you guys ever take on chrome or any material and you guys want to wrap your doors, you know, just be aware that these doors, you guys, they are pretty exciting and a lot is going on. And these things are just Camrys. So imagine that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting, and hopefully we can finish this piece.